how to turn a photo or picture into a WhatsApp sticker. So if you want to turn a photo or picture into a WhatsApp sticker, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After that, go with the stickers option, which is on the bottom left. And from here, you can go with the third option, which is the sticker. Now here, if you want to turn your photo or a picture into a WhatsApp sticker, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the custom option or go with the pencil shaped icon. From the pencil shaped icon, you can go and select an image from your gallery. So go with create, which is on the left side, which has that green colored option. Tap on create and then select the image from your gallery. After that, just go and crop the image or do some adjustments or edit that image, or just wait for a few seconds till WhatsApp automatically gives you a sticker from that image. And after that, you can go with send. And in this way, you'll be able to turn a photo or a picture into a WhatsApp sticker. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.